Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify TikTok business account. So let's get started. So firstly, you need to go to the source bar of your PC. That will be in the bottom taskbar. Click on the source bar and type TikTok and press enter in the keyboard, and then the TikTok application will be open right in front of you. You just have to wait for a few moments or seconds for TikTok to be loaded completely and successfully. And when you are inside the TikTok, you just have to look into the top right corner. There is a circular icon with a letter in it. You just have to click on that and a pop-up box will open. And in the pop-up box, there is a setting option. You just have to click on the settings and your setting will be open. You just have to scroll down a little bit. There is a business account. You just have to turn on the button of business account. That on the right hand side. When you click on there, the button or the business account will be turned on and you just have to fill some information. You have formed completely. After that, you just need to go back to your profile, or instead of going back to your profile, you can just click on the same circular icon and there will be a feedback and help section. You just have to click on the feedback and section. Currently, there isn't any verification system that is on the TikTok business account. They'll just research or look out your account, and if they think that you are good for verification, then they will just verify your account. But if you want to verify, then you can choose from this method. You can just scroll down and there is a report a problem option. You can just click on report a problem, and here you can write in the message box to verify yourself. Okay, then write that I want to get verified, or how can I get verified. And after that, users have to enter your sorting media and you just have to click on the comment button. After that, the TikTok will look through your feedback, and if they think that you are ready for the verification and if you have fulfilled all the criteria, then they will verify you. So this is how you can get verified on TikTok business account. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.